For today's video, I will gonna tell you a one short story titled Best Friend. Lisa, at her introvert kid, she is quiet and open to talk. Lisa are feel and interested and motivated to join any kind of activity and contest in school, like sports, dance, and singing. But then, her best friend Rose sees her talent in singing. Because there was a moment when Lisa sang a song titled Only Hope by Mandy Moore. Because that day, Lisa invited Rose to their house to do their project in PA. She accidentally heard a wonderful voice came from Lisa's voice. And after that, Rose always rooting and kept motivating Lisa to join in singing competition. Here comes the entrance day. Rose knew that Lisa would not join from any contest. Then there was a time when their teacher asking for who has a talent in singing. And Rose called her best friend Lisa with excitement. Mom, I recommend Lisa Monio for singing. Then Lisa with shocking face, no, I don't want to. Then Rose, Mom, please list her name for the singing competition. And Lisa childishly saying, but Rose, I don't have any talent. And then Lisa couldn't disagree with Rose because their teacher already announced her name in front of the class. The most awaiting moment for Lisa began. Inside from the school gym full of crowded people, loudly shouting and singing the name of their supported contestant. And Lisa felt so nervous and got frightened because it's her first time joining a singing competition. But her best friend rose to the rescue with her classmate to motivate and encourage Lisa. Then, Lisa, you can do it. I believe in you. We believe in you. Then, Lisa felt so happy and it enters of what she have heard. Then Lisa sang a song, Only Hope, with full of feelings and emotions. After her performance, Lisa felt happy and smiled in front of everyone. And the host announced the winner. And the winner is Lisa Monio. Lisa felt so unexpected and starting to cry. Thank you for all the support and love. For my family and friends, especially Rose, for always believing and keep rooting on me, for always there by my side, even I can do it alone myself. Thank you, my only best friend. Thanks to Rose, Lisa with courage and confidence, she always kept joining from any singing competition. And that's all.